We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what users say about the Knock Knock Paper Tantrum Nifty Note. If you have this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description. Using it supports the channel. The Knock Knock Paper Tantrum Nifty Note is a compact, humorous notepad designed to bring levity to everyday frustrations, especially in office and shared environments. Manufactured by Knock Knock, a brand known for its witty, creative stationery and gifts, this pad measures 4 by 5.25 inches and contains 50 matte finish sheets. Its main appeal lies in its ability to let users express their feelings or grievances in a lighthearted, passive-aggressive manner, reclaiming the right to throw a fit at any age while maintaining professionalism and maturity. The pad is rectangular, lightweight at just 2.39 ounces, and comes in a vibrant red color labeled as Paper Tantrum. Users consistently highlight the fun and utility of the Paper Tantrum Nifty Note. Many praise it as an excellent conversation starter and a tool for diffusing tension in both professional and personal settings. In office environments, it is often set out for teams to use, providing a source of entertainment and a subtle way to communicate feelings or frustrations. The humor embedded in each sheet makes it especially popular as a novelty gift for coworkers, friends, or as part of Secret Santa and White Elephant gift exchanges. The pad's small size is repeatedly mentioned, with some users finding it surprisingly compact. While a few express disappointment at the dimensions, others appreciate the reduced paper waste and the ease of slipping notes discreetly into mailboxes, on desks, or with other gifts. The product's quality is another point of praise. The paper is described as sturdy and the printing as clear, ensuring that each note stands out. The design is intentionally cheeky, allowing users to make a statement without resorting to direct confrontation. This makes the pad equally effective as a full-blown hissy fit, but with a humorous twist that lightens the mood. The notepad's format encourages creativity, letting users fill in their own grievances or requests, which adds to its appeal as a customizable communication tool. Knock Knock, the brand behind the Paper Tantrum Nifty Note, has built a reputation for products that blend wit, heart, and practicality. Their mission is to bring humor, creativity, and intelligence to everyday life, and this pad is a clear example of that ethos. The company emphasizes the importance of laughter and list-making as forms of self-care, and the Paper Tantrum Nifty Note fits seamlessly into this philosophy. It is marketed as one of the best office gifts for coworkers and is equally suitable for home use, making it a versatile addition to any desk or communal space. Performance-wise, the pad excels in its intended purpose. It provides a safe outlet for expressing frustration, annoyance, or even playful teasing without escalating conflicts. Several users report that using the pad has helped initiate conversations that might otherwise have been uncomfortable, turning potential arguments into moments of shared laughter. The act of physically writing out a tantrum can also be cathartic, helping users process their emotions in a constructive way. The pad's small size makes it easy to keep on hand, whether in a desk drawer, a bag, or even a pocket. In terms of usability, the Paper Tantrum Nifty Note is straightforward. Each sheet is pre-printed with prompts that guide the user in articulating their feelings, but there is ample space for personalization. The matte finish ensures that most pens and pencils write smoothly without smudging. The pad's binding is secure, allowing sheets to be torn off cleanly without ripping or damaging the remaining pages. Its compact dimensions mean it does not take up much space, making it ideal for cluttered desks or shared workspaces. The pros of the Knock Knock Paper Tantrum Nifty Note are numerous. It is affordable, making it accessible as a small gift or personal purchase. Its humor resonates with a wide audience, from office workers to friends and family members. The pad encourages open communication in a non-threatening way, which can improve relationships and workplace dynamics. Its quality construction ensures durability, and the customizable format allows for creative expression. The product's popularity is reflected in its high customer ratings, with an average of 4.7 out of 5 stars from nearly 3,000 reviews. It also ranks highly in the memo and scratch pad category, indicating strong sales and user satisfaction. However, there are some cons to consider. The most common criticism is the pad's size. Some users expect a larger notepad and are surprised by its compactness. While this can be a positive for those concerned about paper waste or portability, others feel it limits the amount of space available for writing. Additionally, the humor may not be to everyone's taste. In very formal or sensitive environments, the passive-aggressive tone might be misinterpreted or unwelcome. As with any novelty item, its effectiveness depends on the context and the personalities of those involved. Overall, the Knock Knock Paper Tantrum Nifty Note is a cleverly designed, high-quality product that fulfills its promise of bringing humor and expressiveness to daily life. It is particularly well-suited for office settings, where minor annoyances and unspoken frustrations can build up over time. By providing a lighthearted outlet for these feelings, the pad helps maintain a positive atmosphere and encourages constructive communication. Its versatility as a gift combined with its affordability and durability makes it a standout choice for anyone looking to inject some fun into their routine or to give a memorable present. The pad's appeal extends beyond the workplace. At home, it can be used between family members or roommates to address minor grievances in a playful way. It is also a hit at parties and gift exchanges, where its humor and practicality make it a crowd pleaser. The act of writing and sharing a tantrum note can break the ice, spark laughter, and even strengthen bonds between people. For those who appreciate clever stationery and enjoy a good laugh, the Paper Tantrum Nifty Note is a must-have. In summary, the Knock Knock Paper Tantrum Nifty Note stands out for its unique blend of humor, practicality, and quality. It is a small but mighty tool for expressing feelings, diffusing tension, and fostering communication. While its compact size may not suit everyone's preferences, its many strengths make it a worthwhile addition to any desk or gift list. If you have used this product, please share your experience in the comments to help others decide if it is right for them. Remember, the link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel.